Hello everybody, welcome back to the workshop. So in this video we have another wonderful anvil to review set out here before me. This time this one comes in from Ice Creations and we're going to get right into it and I'm going to share with you some of its specs. As always, we're going to review this anvil with our 7-point checklist for anvils. We're going to analyze the fit and finish quality, the size and weight accuracy, the hardness accuracy, ball bearing drop tests, shipping experience, price, functionality, and we'll sum it all up with my final thoughts and recommendations. Okay, so once again, the name brand of this anvil is Ice Creations. The weight is 250 pounds. It is a European style double horn anvil. Let's talk about the fit and finish, shall we? The fit and finish is excellent. I listed it as excellent because we have poor, fair, good, and excellent. I listed it as excellent because the ice is perfectly crystal clear, and when you throw some lights in it, it looks amazing. It looks amazing on camera, and it looks twice as amazing in person. The actual weight came in at 250 pounds. The overall size of this anvil is 36 inches long, 20 inches tall, 7 inches wide. The face of the anvil is 17 inches long, 7 inches wide. And the horn of the anvils, both horns come in at 9 inches long respectively. The base is 25 inches long by 7 inches wide for those. It has 0 hardy holes, which is a downside, and it has 0 Pritchell holes in it. But again, it being ice, you could put those in yourself, no problem. So moving on to the hardness. So the hardness in the center, we got a rating of so hard. On the horn, we got a rating of so hard. The heel, we had so hard. The near edge, so hard. The far edge, so hard, for an overall rating of hard water. Now let's move on to the ball bearing drop test. So the ball bearing drop test. On drop 1, we had 150% rebound. On drop 2, we had 150% rebound. On drop 3, we had negative 150% rebound. Drop 4, we had another negative 150% rebound for an all average of 0. Shipping experience. I wrote down that I had an excellent shipping experience because it was hand delivery. The company that made this anvil happened to be up in my local area for an ice fest, and I was able to pick it up from them directly. So you really can't beat hand delivery, can you? Now let's talk about price. So in price, we have expensive at the very far end, economical in the middle, and cheap on the very low end. So let's talk about that. So I wrote down, I call this anvil expensive. So it is expensive. It was hundreds of dollars, okay, for a fairly short lifespan anvil. So I will put it on the expensive end. You definitely have to save up your pennies if you're going to buy such a beautifully big piece of ice and have it turned into an anvil. So now let's talk about functionality. Who is this anvil for, if you will? So you can forge about 3 to 4 items per anvil with an anvil like this. So, you know, not too shabby, but there's one caveat to that. It has to be cold enough. It has to be cold enough in your particular location to get that many projects done out of one singular anvil. So do keep that in mind. So let's sum it all up, shall we? What do I think about this lovely Ice Creations anvil here? Well, I think it looks excellent with RGB lighting. I had a killer time forging on this, had quite a bit of fun. I do worry about it a little bit if it will hold up to our rigorous testing here in the future. Wink, wink, nudge, nudge. But we shall see, won't we, in future videos to come. So that's it for today. I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you enjoyed looking at this gorgeous piece of artisan craftsmanship. And yeah, we'll catch you on the next one. Calm down, trolls. It's just a joke.